Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead video. I hope everyone had a great long weekend for the holiday weekend. I know I sure did. I was away from my computer for a few days spending time with my family. So please bear with me as we get back into the groove of things and we get caught up on bringing you daily job leads. So the next day or two may have quite a few videos. But with that being said, today's job lead is from Citizens Bank. Now, if you want to be in the financial world, Citizens Bank is one of those companies that normally always hire work from home jobs. And today they have a third shift, overnight hours, part-time job. They are specifically looking for someone to serve cash management, ACH, and commercial card customers via request received from telephone, chat, or email. You need to be able to research and train clients on all the products that Citizens Bank offers, independently service both the internal and external customers on a wide variety of commercial card, ACH, and cash management products. You'll need to diagnose, prioritize, and resolve or escalate all technical, system, or procedural issues. You'll partner with various operational staff to do so, and you'll proactively advise management of any issues or obstacles. Now, they are looking for someone who has great verbal and written communication skills, as well as someone who has great time management skills, the ability to multitask, and great interpersonal skills. They would like someone who has 3 years of customer service and call center experience. Banking experience is preferred but not required. Someone who is computer proficient, a self-motivated attitude. Now, they do require a high school diploma or GED. They prefer a bachelor's degree, but that is not required. As far as the schedule goes, they're looking for someone to work 30 hours, so that is kind of part-time. True part-time would be 20 hours. Full-time is 40 hours, so it's in between the part-time and full-time, but you can't get full-time benefits until you hit 32 hours, so this is going to fall on the part-time range. They are looking for someone to work 12:30 a.m. to 6:30 a.m., including holidays, with Sunday and Monday off. So you will work Tuesday through Saturday, so weekends will be required. Now, they are not able to hire in the state of Colorado at the moment. It does say they offer competitive pay and a benefit package, although it does not say what the pay is. Citizens Bank is one of those companies who tends to post jobs and then only take so many applications before they take the job posting down and start going through the applications and calling people back. They seem to work very quickly in their hiring. So if you're interested in this, make sure you get those applications in ASAP, as this position will not last very long. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.